according to Piaget's cognitive concepts, which refers to cognitive structure, for example, seeing a dog and forming an initial idea of a dog. Letter A, accommodation. Letter B, assimilation. Letter C, schema. Or letter D, equilibrium. Nahanap natin dito is forming an initial. Of course, you know what initial means, di ba? Meron tayong middle initial. When you say middle initial, no? Middle initial, yung pinakaunang letra ng ating pong middle name, okay? So, initial means pinakauna, no? The choice po natin dito is letter C. This is your schema. Okay? So, the first time that you form an idea, no, form a concept, that will be schema. Okay? So, schema po yan. Now, or we say this is a mental model that represents a set of ideas or actions. No? So, that's your schema. Now, when you have assimilation, this is a process of fitting new information into an existing schema. Na yung ating po nagiging hint dito, no? Assimilation, you have two S's, and these stand for the same schema. Now, when you say accommodation, no? Ito, dalawang C's, and this would mean change in schema. Ang equilibrium naman po is the balance between assimilation and accommodation.